Hi everyone, it's been Kalethcool from Untitled Gaming, and today we are going to be looking at the basics of HTML. These includes the HTML tag, the header tag, the head tag, body tag, paragraphs, and headers. First off, with the HTML tag, all the code in an HTML document gets wrapped with the HTML tags. It is usually the first tag to appear in an HTML document, with the exception of a doc type. The doc type just lets the browser know what type of document it is to expect. With HTML5, we just write this. Later on, I'll be looking at the different types of doc types for HTML 4.01. But just to cover it right now, there is the strict, transitional, and frame set doc type. But anyway, we're just going to jump right in here. We don't really need to focus too much on the HTML tags. Later on, there will be some attributes for the HTML tag that we will be adding, but for now, it is fine. Next, we're going to add the head tag. This contains just a little bit of more info about the web page, including the title, which we'll just set to HTML tutorials, Untitled Gaming. As well as meta tags, but we're not going to be looking at the meta tags quite yet. We are going to just close the head tag. It will also contain stuff like links to a CSS document. Okay, now I'm just going to open up the body. This is where the main content of a web page is added. All the text, images, videos, and stuff like that. So we're just going to create a simple paragraph, and we'll write just really anything can be written in a paragraph tag. Now, to each tag, if you're a complete beginner to HTML and you haven't studied it at all, there is a beginning tag and an ending tag to almost every single HTML tag. The ending tag, the only difference from the starting tag is it has a / at the beginning. Okay, so I'm just going to save this, and we're going to, not that, well, I guess I'll just desktop, and then one sec, HTML tutorials, and I'm just going to open up a new tab here, bring this over to this monitor, open this, and as you can see, anything can be written in a paragraph tag. Okay. So, fairly simplistic, right? I'm just going to add a header. Now, the header tags range from H1 to H6. The lower the number, the bigger the text. So, for example, we'll just write, I am the biggest. I am third. I am fourth. I am fifth. I am last. And when we load the document, you can see that this is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So quite simplistic. Let me just look here. So that is basically it for this tutorial. It's fairly simplistic, just to basically cover some other things. HTML pages are text documents. HTML uses tags, which are characters that sit inside angled brackets. They act like containers and tell you something about the information that lies between them. Tags are often referred to as elements. Tags usually come in pairs. The opening tag denotes the start of a piece of content, and the closing tag denotes the end. Opening tags can carry attributes which tell us more about the content of the element. Attributes require a name and a value, and that is basically it. So if you enjoyed this very simplistic tutorial, leave a like. If you didn't, tell me why, and I will see you in the next video.